Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Mashita and today I would like to share about slope protection and maintenance based on my understanding. The importance of slope protection and maintenance are the slope protection and reinforcement need to have an optimum strength during construction to ensure engineering quality and rate of process. Besides, slope protection need to be adjusted and not cancel or decrease the engineering geology and construction material, engineering types or comprehensive measure to ensure stability of highway subgrade. Furthermore, slope protection doesn't consider lateral pressure of slope stratum so that it should have enough stability. Next, rock slope or lower slope with silt, fine sand are easy to be weathered, especially under poor climate and hydrological conditions, so it should be protected in time after earth and rock construction. Other than that is core protection. It happens at section of small water flow rate or weak flow destructive effect, paving stone, pannier and precast slab. So, it protects subgrade side slope along the river. Lastly, for high and steep protective structure, safety facilities should set to check and maintain when design and construction. Next is low failure repair option. First is unloading or changing geometry. We can use an excavation method. The second one is improving drainage. It is to minimize hydrostatic pressure build-up in the slope. It has two types of improving drainage that are surface and subsurface. The third one is slope reinforcement. It has two types that are geotextile and geogrid. The first one is shotcrete. We use mortar or concrete that pneumatically injected at high velocities over a grid of rebars. The next one is terracing or benching. It making slope more manageable by dividing it by retaining walls or friction pile. Other than that is rock bolts. It connects the fractured and weak surface to the stronger rock layers underneath for slope stability. Next is friction piles. It is the piles that are driven into the ground towards load-bearing strata. Next, vegetation. There are four types of vegetation such as erosion protection. Next, soil improvement. There are 5 ways to improve the soil. First, chemical stabilization such as using cement and lime. Second, thermal stabilization. Third, biostabilization. Fourth, natural or byproduct waste stabilization. And last one, electroosmosis. Next, sheet piling. It is the process of overlapping sheet piles driven into the ground to act as retaining walls. Next, structural stabilization. There are 5 types of it. For example, retaining wall. It is the wall that are designed to hold a substantial amount of soil behind it in place, and it is very expensive. And the last one, buttressing. It happens when we over-excavate the cut slope. That's all from me. Thank you.